What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel where we're talking about passive income, crypto, stocks, and affiliate marketing. Go ahead and give me that L and that special, guys. Hit the like and the subscribe button for more content. And also, I want to try to get to 200 subs by the end of the month. It's maybe a couple of days left in the month, guys. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more content. Also, stay till the end of the video to find out if you were one of the lucky 5 people who got funds from me, who I said I was going to take $100 and divide it among 5 people to put it into their COTPS account to help them on their journey to passive income in the COTPS system. But before we get into that, I almost forgot. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of disclaimer. You can also come back and pause and read it in its entirety in your own time. My channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. You should always seek financial advice when needed. If you want to read the rest of this, just come back and pause the video and read this at your own time. Now, let's go ahead to the COTPS site. As you can see, right now it's only showing like 50 cents in my account. Go to the transaction hall tab. Oh, and also I got to stay to the end of the video to find out if you're one of those people that actually made it in, because I know there's 5 people. 5 people supposed to get into that $100 that I'm giving away. There's a couple, I think it's maybe 2 more spots left. If you're interested, just you'll find out if you got in if you stay to the end of the video. Well, let's keep going on here. Right now, as we can see, I do have $2,100.13 in transactions, and once those transactions go from here back to here, it's going to be with the profit included. And you can see, let's see if we can go down. Let me exit this. And the last transaction, there we go. The last transaction that was made, the last set of transactions that were made were around 8:13. From 8:13 to 8:15, all the transactions that were, it depends on the amount of money you have in the account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had 6 transactions at 8:15 a.m., which happens every couple hours. You can also do this manually. You don't have to do it the way passively. You still make money by clicking the button. It's one of the easiest things that you'll ever end up doing if you decide that you want to join, which I don't know why you wouldn't, even just to see if the system works. So you can just sign up for free just to check the system out to see what's going on. Let's see, go back here. And that's pretty much all the gist of it. I mean, you come to the, let me see what the other page is. Go to the home page, and I may have already messed it up. Let's see, we're going to, this shows how many times I've made deposits into my account. This is a recharge record. This pretty much shows the deposits: 200, 590, 104, 17. And there are fees in between where you're sending it from to where it's to this particular account. And when you do send a recharge, they only use the USD20 tether, TRC20, when you're making those transactions. I'm not going to make this a long video. I appreciate you for watching it to this point. Let me go ahead and click on my team so I can show you the people who've already made it in and who've already got their accounts funded so far. So as of now, all of these people right here are the ones who qualify, because the other account was the test account that I created. It's pretty much the test account that I created. So these are the names of the people who qualify right now for the $100 giveaway. This one is just a test account, so that one doesn't count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already did these 3. So these 3, if you check your account, you already have the funds in your account. You can go ahead and just start clicking the button so you can start earning a little money. It may not seem like a lot, but it's pretty much 100% free since your account is already funded. So 1, 2, 3 people have 100% passive income if that's what they decide to do. And this person, I'm going to be refunding your account in the next 1 or 2 days, just to get that out of the way. And maybe I want to do it at the same time, so I don't have to do one today and do one tomorrow. Just trying to get it out of the way. And let's go ahead and go to the stat sheet. Today is day 30. 30 days into the system. And even with me giving away the $60 was pretty much on yesterday, not today. Even with me giving away the $60, I still ended up with $3 profit because of the amount of money that's in the that I have in. So I started off at $7.97, and then I added, and it's a total of $9.18. If I take away the 60, it'll probably be 8. So it'll be around 8 something, about 8.20, somewhere around 8.20, 8.30, somewhere around there. And I still have a profit of over $1,000, probably $1,200-1,300, even after giving $60 back to those who decide to join on me. Now, if you're one of those people, just go ahead and join in. Hurry up, because I really want to get this over with so I can get it done, and go ahead and get you guys' account funded, so you can go ahead and start clicking this button so you can start receiving that passive income. I really appreciate you guys for watching all the way to the end. Thank you very much. Go ahead and again hit me that LNS special, like and the subscribe button for more content. Thank you guys. Be blessed.